the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. La vigilia del Nadal dio el Padre Noel.
Rudolph no podía estar, dura el trineo a menar.
Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. La vigilia del Nadal dio el Padre Noel.
Rudolph no podía estar, dura el trineo a menar.
Then all the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed